Unraveling Misquote, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word misquote. Have you ever heard someone use this term and wondered what exactly it means? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down the meaning of misquote, explain how to use it in a sentence, and help you understand its nuances. So, stay tuned. Misquote is a verb that describes the action of repeating something that someone else has said or written, but not accurately. In other words, when you misquote someone, you are not providing the exact words that they used. There might be slight or significant changes in the wording, or the meaning could be altered. For example, if your friend tells you, "I love watching movies because they allow me to relax and unwind," and later you tell another friend that your friend said, "I only watch movies to kill time," you have misquoted your friend. You've changed the words and the sentiment behind the statement. Misquoting can lead to misunderstandings and mistrust. When we share information, it is crucial to be accurate and truthful, especially when we are repeating someone else's words. Misquoting can distort the original message, and this can have serious consequences, particularly in formal settings like journalism, academia, or legal matters. Imagine if a journalist misquotes a public figure, or if a researcher misquotes a source in an academic paper. The implications could be significant, leading to misinformation and potentially damaging reputations. 1. Pay attention. When listening to someone, make sure to pay close attention to their words. 2. Take notes. If possible, take notes or ask for clarification on the spot. 3. Double-check. Before sharing the quote with others, double-check to make sure you have got it right. If you are unsure, it's better to paraphrase and make it clear that you are doing so. 4. Give context. Sometimes, providing additional context can help prevent misunderstandings, even if the wording is not exact. Misquote is not just a term used in formal settings, it can also be found in popular culture. Sometimes, famous movie lines are misquoted by the public. For instance, the line, "Luke, I am your father," from Star Wars is often misquoted. The actual line is, "No, I am your father." So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the term misquote. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you now feel more confident in using this word correctly. Remember, accurate communication is key, and avoiding misquotes is a big part of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.